Welcome again to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get transition detail using Jira REST API. When we talk about Jira REST API, we do have documentations available for get transition details when it will returns either all transitions or transitions that can be performed by the user on an issue based on the issue status. Let's say if we have n number of issues where we want to extract the detail about the issue where they are lying in terms of status like to do status or in progress status or completed or fixed status. When we talk about these terminologies like status, getting status detail on Jira defects, then we will use Jira REST API where we can get the result as easy as possible. If we request Meet through Postman or some other website where we will get the rich API response, then it will show either does not exist or cannot be performed on the issue given its status. The response will return any empty transition list. This operation can be accessed anonymously. So for creating a request or sending a request, we do need to have administrator permission where we can get domain name from our Jira login credentials, then the path is REST API 3 and post that issue. After that, we have to write transitions. Then the transition detail about. So if we'll send this request, we will get the complete transition detail. Here we need to specify the field summary, issue type, which is in status like ID and project ID as well. When I will click on send, I will get the complete transition detail. Here we have to provide the issue status as well or the issue name as well. It's SSP hyphen 9 and then transition. So let me check the complete status here. Here we have to provide issue ID and then transitions. So you can see here transitions. I mentioned here transition, not as sir. I need to provide this detail. Then once I will click this, I will get the complete transition detail about that issues. You can see here this is lying into to-do status detail about the defect. Then you can see several other in progress. ID is 21 and status category in yellow. So this is how we can get the two status transition detail in Jira through REST API. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed the session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.